Why? I want this water. It's warm. Shell have lava. Have a shell. Hmm?
Yeah, put it back.
A snail.
Oh, these are over there, eh?
Wild snail.
See that fish rise, Stacey? No, yeah. Just over here. That's why they into the ripple. Deeper up there, eh?
Try mo the other way, labo. Oh, a fish! You see?
You're catching the mosquitoes. The dragonflies.
Look, it's a big fish. I see. It's a color something gray fish. I saw. You bad. The other way. It's a carp fish.
Nah, that could be a trout, love.
Carp. Lake, guys, lake. Lawa. Muna kalapad di lawa. Hi, love. Fishing kami ng aking husband. Oh, look, oh, the big, pouch, the fish, oh. Isa ka, gray fish. The fish is, oh, look! The fish is playing to you. Catching me, finding me. It's a big fish, mom. It's a color gray.